Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to select only the video or audio part of a source clip for edits in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want to work with just one component of your footage, whether you're replacing audio, creating cutaways, or building more complex edits. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and get your project ready. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll be doing most of your work with clips and timelines. Now, on the top left of your screen, click on Media Pool to open it if it isn't already visible. The Media Pool is where all your imported clips live, and it's the starting point for bringing footage into your timeline. What's great is that DaVinci Resolve gives you 3 different ways to split video and audio from your clips, so you can choose whichever method feels most comfortable for you. Let's start with the first way. In the Media Pool, locate the clip you want to work with. Double-click on it to open a preview. Now, hover your mouse over the preview window of that clip. You'll notice a small video icon appear. You can click and drag this icon directly to your timeline, and it will only drag the video portion without any audio. Similarly, you'll also see an audio icon. If you drag that instead, it will only bring the audio to your timeline without the video. This method is perfect when you want precise control and a visual confirmation of what you're dragging. The second way is even quicker if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then drag the clip from the media pool to your timeline. This will automatically drag only the video without the audio. Now, if you hold the Shift key instead and drag the clip, it will only drag the audio without the video. This method is fast and efficient once you get used to it, especially if you're editing at speed. The third way involves using your timeline tracks directly. On your timeline, you'll see track headers labeled V1 for video and A1 for audio. Disable the A1 track by clicking on it so it's no longer active. Now, when you drag the clip to your timeline, it will only show the video. If you want the opposite, disable V1 instead and drag the clip again. Now it will only show the audio without the video. This method gives you full control over what lands on your timeline before you even drag the clip. And there you have it, 3 different methods to select only the video or audio part of your source clip in DaVinci Resolve. Choose whichever method fits your workflow best. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.